Hey everyone! Today, I'm letting you in on my super easy and delicious recipe for the most amazing peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Brace yourselves for a taste sensation that'll have you coming back for more. To start this magical sandwich journey, grab 2 slices of your favorite bread, whether it's the soft clouds of white, the wholesome goodness of wheat, or the enchanted magic of your favorite bread. Now, it's time to spread the love. Take a scoop of your chosen peanut butter, whether you're into the smooth superhero or the chunky champion, and spread it generously on one slice. Imagine the edges smiling with peanut buttery joy. On the other slice, envision a fruity waterfall as you spread your favorite jelly or jam. Let the flavors dance together in your mind. Press the 2 slices together, creating a magical fusion of peanut butter and jelly. Feel the excitement building as the flavors come together in perfect harmony. For an extra touch of enchantment, sprinkle a bit of pixie dust on top. Close your eyes, make a wish for the most delightful sandwich ever, and let the magic happen. Now, call in a grown-up to help you cut your sandwich into fun shapes, stars, hearts, or any shape that feels like a magical creature. Because sandwiches are way more fun when they're shaped like wonders. Take a big, delicious bite and let the magic of your peanut butter and jelly creation unfold. It's a taste adventure that'll make your taste buds do a happy dance. There you have it, a delightful peanut butter and jelly sandwich crafted with love and a sprinkle of magic. Enjoy, fellow sandwich wizards!